everyone, today in this video we're gonna talk about how to make notes and the effective strategy to revise them. And this is our first video, so please make sure to subscribe the channel and like the video. So without any further delay, let's quickly get into the video. We have divided this video into some points. Let's get started with the first point. Don't ever make your notes in the first reading. First try to understand the topic, then start taking notes of it. What people generally do is that they make notes in the first reading, and because of this they tend to copy the whole text into their notes, which is not the right way. Your notes should be concise and crisp so that you can revise them later. You should write important phrases, important sentences, not the whole story, and try to make notes in the points which are easy to remember. Use mind maps, flowcharts, diagrams in your notes. This will form a pictographic memory in your mind and will help you to recall easily. Highlight the important points which you think you will tend to forget easily. You can also use sticky notes. Write the dates, years and important phrases in your notes separately and highlight them, as these are difficult to remember. Make short notes. Try to cover one topic in a single sheet. These kind of notes will help you in the last minute revision. When the exams are coming close, you literally have a lot of stuff to revise, so these sheets will help you to revise quickly. Organize your notes topic wise. You can use folders, pins or whatever you like so that you can find them easily when you need them. The last and the fifth point is try to make notes by hand rather than making it online, because writing with your own hands will make you remember most effectively. But there are also certain positive sides of making notes online, as you can organize them neatly, can update and edit your notes easily at any time. You can add videos, animations, pictures to your notes, and also the online notes will last you long and will help you in the entire journey of your preparation. You can also use abbreviations or short forms, symbols as you like. You do not need to make your notes very fancy or too colorful, because you are making notes for yourself, not for others. So make them according to you so that you can easily understand them.